ng behavior sa atong mga kabataan, malipay ang Dios. Malipay ang Dios sa nindot nga karakter sa atong mga kabataan. And most importantly, ang ilang padulngan ngayon. We must tutor our children with purposeful direction. When we direct them, we need to direct them toward God's ways. Direct them toward God's will. And direct them toward God's wisdom. Very important kay kung di ang Diyos ang masintro sa kasing-kasing sa mga kabataan, and each Filipino, magka-problema gadud ang atong nasod. That's why ingon dihang pulong sa Diyos, train up a child in the way he should go. The ways of God, the will of God, the wisdom of God. Proverbs 3:5-6. Dungan tagbasa palihog das ubos. Begin. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy paths. Ang Diyos mao ang Diyos sa kaalam. Ug nag-andam siya og nindot nga dalan. Nga pagalaptan into graduates, nindot nga kaugmangon. That's why isalig sa Diyos jud ang tanan. Duol sa Diyos, sunod sa Diyos. Nelson Mandela, nindot ka na itong isulti sa nag-welcome na ito ganina, had a clear vision. Maunin siyang panglantaw sa South Africa, na na freedom and equality sa tibok South Africa. He pursued law, protested injustice, and even sent for 27 years in prison for his beliefs. Yet he never lost sight of his purpose. When he was released, he didn't seek revenge. He lived the country with vision and grace. O mo niyang naitabo on May 10, 1994, at the age of 77, si Nelson Mandela was inaugurated as South Africa's first black president sa history niya sa South Africa. During his presidency, Mandela worked tirelessly rebuilding South Africa's economy, which was in crisis from the apartheid, as well as poverty, inequalities, unequal access to social services, and infrastructure. Ang luudan ng South Africa during that time. Pero mo din ang gusto na naayzay revolution ng himon nga mabago ang South Africa. O mo ni, he teaches us that direction, not speed, determines destiny. No? So, importante